Hello everyone. Have a nice day. Welcome back to AloTips channel. One, prepare tools. Battery core, nichrome wire or resistance wire. Spark plug to generate heat. Power source, battery or small power source. Pliers, scissors, insulating tape. Soldering material, tin rosin. Two, create a heating circuit. Cut a piece of battery core, nichrome wire, about 5 to 10 centimeters long. Connect the two ends of the nichrome wire to the spark plug by wrapping it tightly. Connect the two remaining ends of the spark plug to the power source, battery or power source. You're watching the video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please support me with the channel registration button. Tell me where you come from, so I can create subtitles in your country's language, and we can connect with each other more easily. I'm so happy to be able to talk to all of you around the world. Please pay attention and follow along. If you have any eyes, please leave a comment. So I can create subtitles in your country's language, and we can connect with each other more easily. I'm so happy to be able to talk to all of you around the world. Please pay attention and follow along. If you have any eyes, please leave a comment. You can also give me comments to help me make better videos. Check the circuit. Turn on the power to check if the nichrome wire heats up. Make sure the wire is evenly heated and not burned. Solder the cup. Place the object to be welded, e.g. electric wire, on the surface to be welded. Use the hot nichrome wire to touch the place to be welded to heat it up. Apply solder to hot spot to melt and bond. Please leave a comment with your opinion. turn off power and finish. Turn off power after soldering is complete. Check solder joint, make sure it is secure and not loose. Clean up tools and work area. If you find it interesting, comment number 1, if not, comment number 0 to let me know.